To pressure test the manifold on your Girard water heater, we're going to first locate the pressure testing screw on the front of the unit. Next, using a Phillips screw bit, remove the screw. Attach the manometer to the gas pressure test and start by turning the temperature on your thermostat to the utmost position. With temperature turned to the highest, we should expect to see a gas pressure of 7.8 inches water column measured from the manometer. Next, turn your thermostat to the lowest position. From here, we should expect to see a gas pressure of 1.5 inches water column. Once the testing has been concluded, return the screw to its port